Are you a caregiver or coach? As a former caregiver, I understand your stress, overwhelm, and burnout because you're juggling all of your clients' needs throughout your day. Instead, I would like you to hear people complimenting you about how you manage challenging situations easily and effortlessly. I want you to be more present with yourself and others while you're creating the dream life that you want. I'm Mary Elaine Petrucci, Institute Head and Hypnosis Trainer. Under my guidance and training, you'll be able to reduce your stress, overwhelm, and burnout so that you'll be able to manage your tasks efficiently and effectively. You'll be able to be more present with yourself and others around you so that your life can be more joyful. And you will learn how to utilize the resources within yourself so that you can create the dream life that you desire. Book a call with me now so that you can start your transformational journey and improve your life today.